Welcome to Life.University.Online, your home platform for learning real-world digital skills. In this video, we are bringing you a complete guide to earning US dollars online in South Africa. And you can too. If you have been looking for a full guide to earning US dollars online in South Africa, or if your goal is to find out how to get paid in US dollars while living in South Africa, you are in the perfect place. In our last video, we showed you how to earn money in US dollars simply by answering questions. Today, we are taking a big step forward. This video will give you an easy baby step guide on what to expect, who can do it, and how to start earning every single day. Imagine this. You can get a $10 sign-up bonus plus $65 for a study. That is $75 in total, which is around 1,540 South African rands. All your official links are securely stored on your trusted resource website, prayeranswered.online. In this video, we will answer 3 simple questions. Number 1, who can do this? Number 2, what do you need to have? Number 3, how do you access these opportunities? Let us answer the first question. Who can benefit from these online opportunities? The answer is simple. Everyone. You do not need a fancy university degree. You can participate if you have everyday skills, professional skills, or even self-taught skills. Are you a nurse or a teacher? Your professional experience is valuable. Do you know how to use basic phone apps? Use a smartphone or search using AI tools. Are you a student, a stay-at-home parent, or an office worker? Do you have hobbies like cooking, gaming, or driving? Companies all over the world are building new tools, and they need real feedback from everyday people just like you. Your normal, daily opinion is worth money. Question number 2. What do you need to have to get started? You only need 2 main digital tools: an updated LinkedIn profile and a PayPal account. Your LinkedIn profile is like your digital business card. It helps companies see that you are a real person with real experiences. Question number 3. How do you access these online opportunities? Let us do it together, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to your trusted resource website, prayeranswered.online, just as you see it displayed on the screen. Now, do not worry if you do not have a PayPal account yet. You can still start today. You can join the platform, participate in studies, and watch your money grow until you reach the withdrawal amount. You can create your PayPal account later when you're ready to cash out. If you need help creating a PayPal account, please drop a comment below this video. We will happily create a step-by-step video guide just for you. Second, look at the top right corner of the page. Click or tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 small horizontal lines. From the drop-down list, select the Digital Empowerment webpage. Third, look at the very top row of information blocks. Find the 3rd dark purple block and click on it. This specific block is your special gateway. Clicking, it takes you straight to the Hustle platform with an open invitation bonus starting from $10, which is about 162 rands. To see exactly how to sign up on that page, watch the step-by-step tutorial video we posted just before this one. Once your account is ready, you will see invitations to answer questions. In the digital world, this is called a research study or a user interview. It simply means a company wants to talk to you or ask your opinion about their product. Our website is packed with many different ways to make money online. To get the best results, treat prayeranswered.online like your daily smartphone app. Open it every morning. We update it frequently with fresh opportunities, new side hustles, and clear self-development tutorials. Life.University.Online is your dedicated video tutorial platform. We provide all the free supporting materials you need on our main resource website, including helpful explanations written in both English and isiZulu on our blog pages. There is absolutely no reason why you cannot be a massive success online. Make sure you do not miss out on our next update. Smash that like button, share this video with a friend who needs an extra income, and hit that subscribe button right now to activate your alerts. Turn on your notifications so you are always the first to know when a new money-making opportunity goes live. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video tutorial.